Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once that is the case for you, meaning the content is visible on your screen right now, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash along with the pop-up with scroll, edit, share, and delete options visible. And this, as you can see, disappears after a moment. Once it does so, you can find your captured screenshot in your Photos application. I did mess up something. Is that good enough? Sure. Okay, there we go. So from here, you're going to navigate to library, and you will see that there is a new album called Screenshots. And obviously in here, you'll find all the screenshots that you will capture over the time of using this device. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.